So math function example is here. Consider this. Okay. So I think it is not showing your recording which we are covering. So we are seeing this MapReduce operation, which is our fourth practical assignment in our MongoDB. Okay. So here how to create a collections that we are going to see, and how to use MapReduce operation. Okay. So what is the MapReduce that I am going to share you? Mapping, and we are going to reduce that. So MapReduce is helping us. So whenever we have multiple records, okay, and we are creating the copies of the records. Whenever we are creating the copies of the record, always remember it will be going to show create a multiple copies. When it is creating a multiple copies, at that time what happen? Data storage will be wasting. Data storage will be used multiple times. So instead of that, we are going to use MapReduce. So consider this example of a big data. Okay, why we can say big data? Whenever we are seeing that social media is data, which is versatile, volatile, okay, and it is in huge numbers. So we have to reduce the data which we store at the memory, okay, at different locations. So big data is the concept where large volume is which is having big volume of a data which is in volatile, okay. Volatile means which is very changing, okay. Versatile means very different kinds of a data is over there. So what we have to do now? Consider this example. I have over here name, okay, and the contents are I am going to give you mmcoe. Again name, my contents are mmcoe, okay. Next I have a name colon element, I have named xyz. So now you are able to see this. There was same persons two times repeated in this. So it means that there are multiple copies. So now in MapReduce, what exactly happening over here? So name, we are going to give the copies of the name. So we are able to see name is having two copies. Okay. Of so MMC having two copies. Okay. Element one copy, and XYZ is just one copy like this. Okay, we have these three things. Now in a MapReduce, what we have to do? Instead of storing MMC two times, we are storing a single time using reduce operations. So there are the queries for MapReduce operations. Okay, so now we are going to see we have to create a collection. Okay, we are able to create a collection using create collection, and we can directly insert. So there are two ways. If we wanted to write a collections, we can write like this: db dot create collection and collection name. So we can give any collection name what we wanted to. Like we can return last time employee. Like that we are going to create employee. So create table, instead of create table we have a create collection, and we are going to give them a name. So map is my name of a collection. So query is okay. Now I have to use the show collections. So collection is created whose name is map. 1 minute. I have run this all these queries in the morning to show you. Now, okay. Now I wanted to insert the record. So already you know how to insert the records. Yes, how to insert the record, multiple records. So single record in a curly brace. So single records in a curly brace, single records in a curly brace, separated with a comma, okay, separated with a comma, and we have to write a square bracket because we are going to create a multiple records in a map. So now you are able to see how many records are inserted over here. 6 records are inserted over here. 6 records are inserted over here. Now let's check how to access these records. Okay. So now we have map. So अभी तक कुछ नहीं किया हमने MapReduce का, अभी हमने सिर्फ create collection किया है और हमने क्या किया है, हमने उसमें record insert किए. So this is my basic thing. Now we have to use the map function and the reduce function. So instead of writing, I am showing you what I have done in the morning. So it will be taking less time to complete. Okay, so we are here map function. Okay, now find is helping us to display the record. Yes, we have inserted. Find is helping us to display the record. Okay, next we are going to create a map function. So how to create a function in MongoDB? So MongoDB functions are created like this. So this is my function name. Map function is my function name. Okay, which is of type function. So variable we have written map function. Okay, this function is emitting. How they are emitting? We have the name and age in the name and age in the. So I am going to show you here with the find first. Okay, so you are able to see this. We have only name and age. So see here, as using a find, we are able to see name AAA, age 20, DBB, age 25, we have CCC, CCC, and DDD, DDD. So, we are able to see this B, no, C and D records are double in this. So, what we have to do? Instead of making two copies, we are going to create a single copy. Okay. So, in a map, in a reduce function, one minute. So map functions, we emit this age and name. We have given these two parameters that we have name and age into this and we have created a map function. Next is we have to create a reduce function. So only 5 commands are there to create a map reduce function. Problem statement is very easy and it will be working very clearly. So we have seen this map function, now reduce function. So reduce function, in reduce function as a parameter we are giving key name and value. Key is my name and value is, these are the variable name and it is returning the array dot sum of values. So my input is, value age. My input is value age. Okay. So value age is means what? The age is we are checking. Okay. And calculating the sum and trying to manage the same kind of value. See. So this is my map function. Now I have to use the reduce and the next one map function, reduce function, next map reduce function. Okay, next make map reduce function. So here last function is a map reduce. Okay, so what we did, we have created map function, then reduce function and map reduce function. So in map reduce function, input to this map reduce. Okay, see here map on a map collection we have using map reduce function. Map reduce over here is a built-in function and these two functions we are passing as a parameter, that two variables that we are passing, which is written by these functions. So we are getting map function and reduce function values and now we are printing that MRX value, matrix value. Okay, let's check. Our answer is, so able to see result name is MRX. So it will take 138 milliseconds to complete. We have 6 input, given input for map function 6. We reduce it to by 2. And the now output is a 4. Okay. So this is called as the map reduce function. Map reduce function is very easy in exam. If you have in exam paper, this cheat is very easy. So what we have to do, create a collection map, then insert a record into map. Okay, next we are showing the records using find command, then these 3 commands. So Three command. First command is a map function. Third command reduce, and fourth one map reduce. So this way map reduce operations come into picture, and it stores in the memory by reducing its size. Okay. Hope you are understanding. समजलं का सगळ्यांना? So with this we have covered first, second and fourth assignment. Okay. So I'm going to stop over here. Okay. Hope you understood all the assignments. I'm going to share this video as well as what I've run. Okay. So it will be helping you to complete by your own. Okay. As and when you get the timing, you try to finish it out. Okay. All of you students. So write your attendance in chat box. I'm going to copy that from the chat box.